So how's everybody doing? So we're working on porting a Poulan 245 for Simple Man. We need parts. This is 3 of 6. And I want to see if any of the parts will work. So I'm kind of going to try to disassemble this. Oh, yeah. Tight the bolt. Look at all that tangled up in there. But it looks like we got a good gear, at least. Are they identical? They sure look it. So there's a difference here. We might need to take this whole unit. This pin, there it is. Okay. I was going to say, it should be spring loaded and it wasn't working. Probably not working from being messed up for so long. But as far as I can tell, we got the parts we need to get the pump working. That'll definitely need cleaned out good and lubed up. But as far as I can tell, it's intact. So this is what we pulled off. You see? And here's what we got. We got a gear and everything. Kind of neat how that works. Alrighty, so we're good there. We got a functioning oil pump. Bearing feels pretty smooth. Nice and snug. Let's get it out of there. I wonder how much effort this is going to take. We'll heat it up some first before we take it off. Let's see what happens. No, yeah, we're already half off. Sounds a lot better than the last one. A lot better. Oops. The other one popped right off. This one's being a pain. Boy, what a difference between the bearings. You see? There's our old one. She's all rough and clunky. There's this one. Quite a bit of a difference. Hey, this is an SKF bearing. So I can actually read the part number now on this one. So before I stick it in, I think I'm just going to look on the internet, see if I can find a replacement. I got an SKF part number now. So I think that's what I'm going to do. If I don't find one, then I'll stick this one in. But for now, now that I got a part number, I'm going to try to find a replacement. I'd prefer to stick a brand new one in, you know. If I can't find a new one, then I'll stick this one in. That's where I'm at. You can see a difference in the bearings like that. So that's what I think I'm going to do. But we got our parts for our pump. Now we got a part number for the bearing, and we can move forward. We're trying to sort this out. Very similar. I bet you these crankshafts interchange. It's just the 306 crankshaft is set up for points ignition, and the 245 crankshaft is set up for points ignition. That's the only difference between these crankshafts I can see. Oh, well, yeah. Without measuring them, if you know what I mean. So I bet you they're interchangeable. Yeah, keyway lays in the same spot. So I'll tell you, this 306 crankshaft almost looks to be in better shape. So these saws are pretty much identical, probably just a different piston and cylinder between the two. I think that's literally the only difference between a 306 and a 245. Piston and cylinder, period. I can't find anything else that's different. Go figure. But for now, let's see if we can find some part numbers or find some bearings. Alrighty? If not, we're just going to run with this. Alrighty then. See you in the next one. Later.